It seems like there might still be some confusion or a typo in your question. If you're referring to the growth and blooming of vegetables, rather than children, I'll provide information in a paragraph format. Germination stage. Vegetables typically start their life cycle as seeds. The germination stage marks the beginning of growth, with the seed absorbing water and sprouting. Early vegetative growth. Following germination, the focus shifts to developing leaves and a strong root system. This early vegetative growth stage varies among vegetables and depends on factors like species and environmental conditions. Maturation and flowering onset. Vegetables reach maturity at different ages. The onset of flowering is a key indicator of maturity and transition to the reproductive phase. Some plants bloom relatively early, while others take more time. Floral development. Once the flowering stage begins, plants produce buds and flowers. For some vegetables, like tomatoes or peppers, the flowering stage is crucial for subsequent fruit development. Pollination and fruiting. Many vegetables require pollination for fruiting. This stage involves the transfer of pollen between male and female plant parts, leading to the development of fruit. Fruit development time frame. The time it takes for vegetables to bloom and produce fruit varies. Some vegetables, like radishes or leafy greens, have a shorter time frame, while others, such as pumpkins or watermelons, may take more time. Environmental influences. External factors like temperature, sunlight, and soil conditions play a significant role in the blooming process. Warmer temperatures and optimal light conditions generally promote flowering. Cultivation methods. Whether vegetables are grown from seeds or transplants can impact the blooming timeline. Transplants may flower earlier than plants grown directly from seeds. Harvesting time. Harvesting vegetables at the right time is crucial for flavor and nutritional quality. Monitoring the blooming and fruiting stages helps determine the optimal harvest time. Continuous care. Throughout the growth cycle, providing consistent care, including proper watering, fertilization, and pest control, is essential to support healthy blooming and fruiting in vegetables. In conclusion, the age at which vegetables bloom is a dynamic process influenced by various factors. Understanding the specific needs of each vegetable and maintaining appropriate growing conditions contributes to successful cultivation and a bountiful harvest. In summary, understanding when vegetables bloom is crucial for achieving the perfect balance of growth and ripeness. By following the guidelines provided, you can ensure that your vegetables are ready for harvest at their peak flavor and nutritional value. Happy gardening!